How to draw Shadow the Hedgehog, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Shadow, we're just going to begin by simply drawing the nose, which will look similar to a small oval shape. Now connected to the nose, we're going to draw the outline of the mouth. Keep in mind that today we're only going to be drawing the face of Shadow. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Untitled Chapter. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now once we're all done connecting this, we're going to draw the outline of the eyes. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to draw a big curved line that will connect down to the outline of the mouth that we just drew. We can start the curved line that we draw right above the nose. Now for the outline of the left eye, we're going to have to draw two curved lines, with the first curved line starting right here, and we're going to connect it to what we previously drew together. The second curved line that we draw will be going down and connecting to the outline of the mouth. Nice! So far this is a great start. Now we're going to draw the eyes. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to draw the first eye by making an oval shape that is connected to the top outline. Now on the inside of this circle, we're going to draw a smaller circle with a bigger circle attached to it. Later on in the video, you'll notice that the smaller circle will be left white, with the bigger circle being colored in black. Now let's draw the left eye the same way that we just drew the right eye. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now in the big blank section right beneath the nose, I'm going to draw the mouth. The mouth that I draw will just be a simple curved line with a small line attached to it. And one other thing that we can still add to the eyes is a curved line, which will be right above the actual eyes themselves. Later on in the video, you'll notice that this part will be colored in red. And right above the eyes, we can draw the eyebrows by making simple curved lines. I'm going to color in my drawing completely black, so it doesn't make too big of a difference for me, but I can go ahead and demonstrate it just in case you want to color in your drawing a darker gray color where you'll still be able to see your eyebrows. Now on the left hand side of the page, I'm going to connect the eyebrow right above to the outline of the mouth right below. I'll do this by using a simple long curved line. Now we're not going to connect the right side just yet. Next we're going to draw the right ear right above the right eyebrow. For the first step of doing this, we're just going to draw a simple triangle shape. And around the top of this triangle shape, we're just going to want to make a simple outline. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side so that we can draw the second ear as well. This will be the same as what we just drew on the right hand side. Now that we have the ears drawn, we can draw the hair. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line to connect the ear down to the eyebrow right here on the left hand side. Now we can draw one curved line that will extend all the way over to the right ear. This will be the first big piece of hair. Now on the top line of that piece of hair that we just drew, we're going to draw an upside down triangle. So on the right hand side of the page, we're going to connect everything by drawing two big pieces of hair, whereas on the left hand side we connected everything by drawing a simple curved line. So right here, on the bottom outline of the face, we're going to draw our second piece. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. On the first piece of hair, we drew an upside down triangle shape. We're going to draw a second triangle shape right here. This will also be colored in red at the very end of today's video. Now we're going to draw the third and last piece of hair right in between the two pieces that we just drew. This will connect right here from the ear all the way down to the last piece of hair. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Now for the last and final step of drawing Shadow's head today, we're going to go to the left side, right around here, and we're going to draw one big piece of hair. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. This is How to Draw Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic. And if you're excited for the new movie, be sure to comment down below. And don't forget that next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.